Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lake Bluff, local and long distance movers near me. Our team provides the options you desire when moving, such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Relocating to a new city or town isn't easy. There are many things to figure out, and it can be overwhelming. Let us take some of the stress off your plate by offering you the right moving services. Whether you're going 100 miles away or 2,000 miles, we can make it an easier process. With an Illinois moving company for the local move, you get the professional help you need. No more finding friends or family members to help you lift your heavy items. No more risking injury as you lift everything into a truck. Instead, you get movers to do all the hard work for you. 3 Movers is the right option for your local move. We streamline the entire process to make sure you get to where you need to go faster and easier. You won't have time to worry about how tired you will be or if your things are safe with us. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lake Bluff moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.